How to transfer TonCoin from Trust Wallet to Tonkeeper Wallet. In order to do this, you first need to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application. Then you need to use the search bar in the top and search for Ton. Now once you search for Ton, you will be able to find Ton on the Ton network. So you need to select this one. Then tap on the send option and it will ask you to provide the address. So in order to get this address, you need to launch your Tonkeeper mobile application. Then tap on the receive option, and this is basically your QR code which you can scan, and you can even copy this deposit address. So you need to copy it from here, then go back to your Trust Wallet and paste the address in this section. After that, you need to enter the amount of TonCoin that you want to transfer from your Trust Wallet mobile application. In the memo, you just have to simply skip it because you don't need to actually provide any of the memos for the Tonkeeper wallet. Once done, tap on the next option in the bottom, and on the next page you need to review all of the details and confirm your transaction. Once your transaction is completed, you will receive your TonCoin in your Tonkeeper wallet application from Trust Wallet. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.